Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen, and this is our 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan United Edition. Special edition for 2021. You have nice embroidery, have a nice lit up floor area here when you enter the vehicle. Cloth seats in this, but it does have some nice upgrades like the United scuff plate there, and it does come with mats. Lots of space in the rear seat. Vents, USB-C, Navi, nice large sunroof. United Edition does come with power tailgate. Lots of space back here. United Edition also has these nice silver mirror caps as well. That's a little two-tone look to the car. Come inside the drive area here. Power adjustability, lumbar support. All of your windows, lock options here. Automatic lights. Standard Volkswagen steering wheel right here. Check out all the safety features, side, rear traffic alert, and front assist. This does have the full digital dash, which is a nice upgrade above the comfort line. So this has a lot of highline features just with cloth seats. Interior here, the screen, you have your navigation, you got your apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Obviously, you do have a couple of other options here for the camera when you are reversing or parallel parking. Automatic climate control, dual zone. You have USB-C again with wireless charging, 12-volt outlet, push to start, electronic parking brake. A couple of modes here: Eco, Normal, Sport, Custom. Glove box space. Auto engine on and off for stop and go traffic from light to light. All your sunroof controls. And that is the vehicle. This is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. And this is our 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan United. Take care.